Alright, once you've removed the flywheel nut and the 6 torque screws holding the flywheel on, then grab your trusty flywheel puller from Moped Motion. Actually, sorry, I don't have the business card in front of me. Where'd it go? There we go. Moped Motion. Then just screw the flywheel puller onto the flywheel, like so. Then using a 19mm impact, hit that, and the flywheel will simply just pull right off. And there you have it. Here is the stock flywheel versus the lightened flywheel. You can see a lot of material has been removed off of this, and it is quite a bit lighter. And the install is just as simple as the removal. Just slap her back on and make sure you torque everything down. Thanks.